Are you guys like me? But I feel like Makeup Revolution has been absolutely killing it lately. Although, have they always been this good? I don't remember them always having been this good, guys, but I am addicted now. I am truly addicted. The things that I've recently tried are actually truly drugstore better than high-end. They're super affordable products. I know I used the, what was it, the Super Dewy Blush. That is so good. Definitely is drugstore better than high-end. But today I have their new jelly line. So they have come out with a jelly primer. Now all of these products in this jelly line, because again, there's a blush, there's a lip, there's everything. They're supposed to be super hydrating, super nourishing. So I figure we'll test them out together. Now the first one that I have here, I actually should have opened it before we came to chit chat, right? But I have the jelly primer. Now I gotta say right off the bat, the first thing that caught my eye is how cute the packaging is, because everything looks very jelly-like. And are you like me? But it's like you want to squish it, you want to squeeze it. Look at how cute this is here. So this is the jelly primer, and I love the pink color, the lavender, the gold font. So it is supposed to be a hydrating primer. It's supposed to have watermelon essence in it. So let's go ahead and test it out. So, oh, it is very jelly-like, just the initial touch. Gosh, it does feel so good on your skin. Wow. Oh, it smells so good too. It does smell like watermelon, very light, but really nice. Not an artificial kind of scent. It smells really good, and it feels so hydrating and so soothing. So that's really nice. Have you guys tried this yet? It feels, if you have dry skin or sensitive, this really might be something that you would absolutely love, because you know, I don't have dry skin, but my skin is sensitive. My skin gets irritated easily. So right now, just putting this on, it feels so soothing. It feels cooling even. It feels so good. Wow. I want to keep putting it on actually because it feels so good. It's just lightweight, slightly gel-like, and just feels so good. So it is even, you know, melting down into my skin. It's becoming just a little bit tacky. It feels so good. Wow. You know, I would definitely compare this to the Milk Hydro Grip primer. That's what this feels like, although maybe a bit more jelly-like, but it feels pretty much like the same thing. It feels very tacky. Do you guys like that tackiness? A lot of people love it. I feel like this is so hydrating. I really want to put it everywhere because I put it on my neck because I always want to hydrate my neck. It feels so good. Wow. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and we'll see how it looks underneath. So actually guys, I was just going to get my foundation and I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my gosh, my skin looks so hydrated and so healthy looking, and it looks like it's actually glowing, and it's definitely not as tacky now. I feel like my skin looks so good I don't even want to put foundation on. It looks really juicy. It looks really good and healthy. So I'm not even gonna put foundation on. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer because I don't even want to cover my complexion with the foundation. It feels so good right now. It feels, oh my goodness, it feels so hydrated but not greasy. So that's really nice. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer and then we'll go right into the blush. And there is also a gel to, I guess it's jelly, and then it turns into a mist. So I gotta try that with you guys, but let's just go ahead and push this concealer in and see how it sits under the makeup. I feel like actually it made the concealer more pigmented, because usually when I put this concealer on, it kind of looks a little streaky. I actually think it gave more coverage to the concealer. Maybe it's making the concealer work better. So this is actually amazing. And I haven't been using primers really because I just really didn't think I needed them. But this is something I want to definitely use, definitely reach for, because it made again, it just made it do a much better job. It gave more coverage. It gave more concealing to the under eye circles, where usually without the primer, you could still see my circles a little bit. So this primer is amazing. Maybe it plumped because I think it has hyaluronic acid in it. So maybe it plumped up my under eye circles. I don't know guys, but it's amazing. Really, truly. My skin feels so good too. I can't believe it, because again, not greasy whatsoever. That's another reason I really don't like to use primers, because my skin is pretty oily and things make me feel greasy, but this does not. My skin feels so good right now. Okay, so we can go ahead and test out now. We got the jelly blush. This is actually a lip and cheek stain. So I have this beautiful pink one here, and this one is called Strawberry. So again, gotta take the packaging off, but let me go ahead and do that. But you guys, how are you doing? How's your summer going? It has been so crazy here, you guys. The other day I was actually out for a walk in my neighborhood. Since it's been nice out, you know, with the warm weather, I figured I would go for a walk. So I had the dogs with me, and I'm walking around my neighborhood, and all of a sudden I heard somebody screaming. It was my neighbor, and it sounded so scary, guys. It was so terrifying. She sounded like it was very, very scary, and I was like terrified. I don't know what came over me. Like I had an adrenaline rush, and I ran to her house. I shouldn't have did that, you know, because something could have happened to me, but I was just like, I have to go help her. And I ran to her house, and my husband just happened to be pulling up to the driveway when I was going, and he saw me like running to her house. He was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "I have to go to her house." I just started screaming. He was like, "You can't go. We're just gonna call the police. You know, you cannot go to her house because, you know, unfortunately something could have happened." It was horrible, guys. Okay, so here's the jelly blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now. Oh, this is so pigmented. Wow, that looked like too much. Let me go ahead and move this, you know, press this in before. Oh my gosh, this is just looks too pigmented, and I just did one swipe. So I don't. Okay, you gotta just like, let me try on the other side, but you gotta just tap like the tiniest tap. So, cause I feel like that is way too much. Now my light is super bright. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see me cause I feel like I'm looking in the monitor thing here on my camera, and I'm so bright. These cameras are gonna be the end. They just drive me crazy, guys, cause there's always something weird happening. Cause I don't know if you could see me, but I don't know how it looks to you guys, but to me, it looks like I'm bright white like Casper the Ghost. So, but in real life, this is too red and too pigmented. Let me put on my lips a little bit. It's cute on the lips, but on the cheeks, you gotta just go real quick. Like, I must have pushed too hard. You gotta just push. See, now it's not coming out. Maybe it was just because it was the first time using it, because now it's not coming. Oh no, wait. Yeah, you just gotta put the teeniest bit because it is super duper pigmented. So that is beautiful, but you only need a little bit because again, a little bit goes a long way. Again, I hope you guys can see me because I'm looking here and I look so bright, like washed out. So, but in real life, this is again so pigmented. Wow. Okay, it is a lip oil, a jelly lip oil, and there is also a setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray my face with the jelly setting spray, and this is called actually Jelly Mist. It's a gel to water fixing spray. I feel like I need to spray. Oh, this is really nice. This is a really nice fine mist, and the packaging is so beautiful. Love the pink and the gold, same thing. But I just feel like that blush, yeah, I needed to put too much, so this is kind of like taking down the blush. But then you guys, here I have the jelly lip oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of the stain here because this one is kind of a clear. Oh, this feels so good. It does feel like jelly, so it feels really good. Wow. And very moisturizing. This also has just a light watermelon scent. This one here is called Candy. It does smell like candy. It's really nice. It's kind of sweet. It's really nice. This setting spray definitely made my skin glow. Wow. Now with the setting spray, the jelly blush looks so beautiful, and it just gave a dewiness to it where before it was kind of, you know, sticking on my skin, but now with the setting spray, it looks so beautiful. Oh, and I'm gonna put on a little setting powder, but actually I don't even think you need it. This looks so beautiful. I don't know if it's the primer, and then we'll definitely want to put the mist on. It made a beautiful effect. So that mist is amazing. The jelly mist is amazing. I'll just put on a little lip liner here just to pull everything together, but I don't even feel like I need powder because this really gave that glass skin look, that glowing skin look to my skin. I think it was the jelly mist that really, you know, the jelly blush is amazing too, but you just need a little bit. But once I put the mist on top of the blush, then the blush was everything. But before that, it was kind of sticking to my skin a little bit, but now it looks lit from within. So it's amazing. Wow, these products are amazing. So how is your guys' summers going? You know, it's been really hot here, like everywhere. But the other day they had like a flash flood warning, and I know in New York City the trains got flooded and people were like trapped in the train. It was so scary, but thank God I wasn't there because I would have been so scared. I'm already scared on the train as it is, so if I had been, it was actually the subway, because usually I go on the Metro North, which it does actually, that goes down under the ground too. But yeah, everybody was like under the ground, and the water came up like halfway to the doors, so they couldn't open the door, and then people were like pretty much trapped under the ground with the water rising. People are so brave on the subway, because it seems like crazy things are happening every day on the subway. I'm so grateful to God I don't have to go, because I used to be in the city every day, and it seems like, you know, it's just a lot of madness there now, even just bad weather, but then other horrible things. So I'm so glad. I used to be so terrified when I was in, but now thank goodness I pretty much just stay home, work from home, so that's really good. But wow, this makeup looks so beautiful under the powder. It looks so gorgeous. My skin looks so fresh. It does look plumped, so that those jelly products do have a lot of skincare ingredients in them, so I do believe that they plump my complexion, because I feel like my skin looks so much more plumper since I put on these products, whether it was the jelly primer or the jelly spray is amazing. Wow. And then this blush is beautiful now, and these jelly lips are so hydrating. So what do you guys think? Would you try these jelly makeup products? Have you tried them already? Let me know your thoughts down below, but I'm loving them, and so definitely, and they're super affordable too, so I'll have them linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature. And Shop with YouTube, like I always mention, but a lot of times they have amazing coupons for $3 off, so you know, or they'll have buy one get one half. So there's so many great deals to be had when you use the Shop with YouTube feature, so I'll have everything linked down below. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. Let me know what you think of jelly makeup. Would you try it? And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll see you soon.